Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on Huawei Matepad Paper. And to do this we'll need to click on a gear icon in the left bottom corner. Here look for biometrics and password. And there's fingerprint ID, which would confirm that this device does have it. Now let's try to find it. New fingerprint. And it's located right here where the power key or unlock key is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.